Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in conversion rate optimization, we'll discuss about writing a winning copy. What precisely writing a winning copy is all about. What are the key elements of writing a winning copy? How to write a winning copy? What are the key ingredients of writing a good copy? A copy that sells, a copy that drives conversions for your business. Let's get started with it. What is a winning copy in the first place? The language that narrates a story in a simple and easy language. That is a winning copy. That narrates a story in a simple and easy language. It doesn't have to be overboard. It doesn't have to have very high quality words. It doesn't have to have excellent written content. Keep it simple. Keep it simple language. Use simple words, but narrate in such a way that it is a step-by-step process, as if you are narrating a story. It could be a product, it could be a solution, it could be a service that you are selling, either on a website, either on a landing page, either on a blog. But make sure that you go a step-by-step process and keep the language simple so that the people, the users can understand. Compelling, to the point, crisp and precise. Do not write long paragraphs. Those long paragraphs bore the visitors. They don't love reading them. Keep the language short, crisp and to the point, and make sure that it is compelling and engages with the users. That captures users' attention. This is easy to say, but easier said than done. But the most important point is, write the language that is conversational in style, write the language that is persuasive, write in the second person and tell them, if you are using this product and this product will help you in your business in this way, and your business will grow in this way, and this is actually the features of the product, and these are the benefits that will help you immensely in your business. The conversational language, as if you are talking to a person in live. Make the language simple, conversational and persuasive. That persuades the user to take an action. Make sure that you use persuasive language, the language that users understand, the language that is completely focused, the language that is persuasive, the language that is compelling, and the language of the user's benefits. That is very important. Conversational in style. Make the language more conversational. The more the conversational of your language, the better the conversions will happen, and that is what actually makes a winning copy. Successfully closes a deal. A deal that closes successfully is a winning copy, and winning copy should have all these qualities and key ingredients. And what are the different types of copy that we usually write? It could be an advertising copy, a landing copy, a squeeze page, a brochure, flyer, sales copy, marketing copy, websites copy, fundraising or email copy. The language that you write across all the platforms, across all the methods, across all the channels that you write, it is more or less the same. Use persuasive skills, write compelling content, write persuasive. It has to have a conversational style, and make sure that you connect with your audience and prospective buyers using a conversational style of writing. How to write a winning copy? What should be the key headlines? Headline: compelling, captivating headline that grabs the attention, because the users do not give much time either on a website or on a landing page. They have very limited time, hardly 15 seconds, 20 seconds, half a minute, and within that half a minute you need to capture the imagination of the user. So it is very important that you use and utilize that time for writing a captivating and compelling headline, because you have limited time, and that limited time is only 15 seconds, 20 seconds or half a minute. This is extremely important. Purposeful opening statement. You create a purpose within the opening statement, and make sure that you use that statement judiciously and cleverly by writing compelling opening statement to grab the attention of the users. Identify the problem. Then identify the problem, what the prospective customer or a client is facing, and what is the problem. Identify that particular problem. And product introduction, features and benefits. The introduction of the product, the features and the benefits have to align with the problem that the consumer or the customer is facing. How the benefits will help them. You have identified the problem, you have listed out the features and benefits, and tell them how this benefit in solving their problem of your business. List out the issues, concerns and challenges. List out all the issues, concerns and challenges of a pain points of a particular customer and show them the benefits. Address and back them with a clear evidence. When you have listed out the issues, concerns and challenges, address them and back them with clear evidence. What is the evidence you can show to them? You can show them the case studies, the testimonials and your credentials that this problem has been solved earlier by you to a particular company. Support evidence with testimonials and tell them that this is the problem you have solved for a particular company. Use images to convey your point. Images play a very important and crucial role in a website or a landing page. Make sure you use the images judiciously, high quality images but not big size images. Anticipate objections and answer them. Whatever the questions that you have raised, what are the points that you have raised of the content that you have written for the website and the landing page or on social media, anticipate what is the question that the user may ask, the prospective customer may ask, and answer them appropriately, answer them honestly, answer them clearly. Conclude with a very clear, compelling CTA. The more the compelling the CTA call to action, the better, and that is what actually makes the winning copy at the end of the day. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is how to write a winning copy, copy types, and how to write a winning copy. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.